ビーチスタイルからラグジュアリーまで世界中が認めるブランド、アグー。身長もリグー、通気性グー、クッション性グー、アグー。CA805V2 紹介しちゃいます。このスニーカーはかかとが特徴的なんだよね。歩きにくそうと思ったけど、これがバランスがいいんだよな。この靴に出会ってからお出かけしたのにわざわざ帰って履き替えたくらい履きたい靴なんだ。ソールはここがゴムっぽくて、ここはフォームって感じ。中も絶妙なフィット感で、一日中履いてもマジで疲れにくい。メッシュ、レザー、スウェードを組み合わせてるから、どんなコーデもマッチしちゃうんだよ。ここがメッシュになってるから、蒸れにくいし、張りがあってへたらないメッシュ。ここもメッシュ。中はクッションに穴が開いていて、外側はメッシュ。これがね、小指で持てるくらい軽いんだよな。389g、めちゃ軽い。いろんなカラーがあるから、お気に入りを探してみて。それじゃあコーデに行きましょう。
Remember being young and taking chances, babe. So reckless, all we ever did was misbehave. Outside a church with no trees, the wind just blew me right to you. By the sanctuary, there was a hornet's nest. It was February, but you were still wearing a summer dress. So let's do it up right on a Saturday night. Over drink and then fight with the love of our lives. Quit our jobs and then move to the middle of the ocean, 'cause we're gonna die anyway. I just remember there was something I was gonna say before it got too late. Next thing I know, we're with the Saudi on a private plane. Did I miss something? It was 7:30. I was high as hell, and the rest got murky, but probably someone that took a photograph. So let's do it up right on a Saturday night. Over drink and then fight with the love of our lives. Quit our jobs and then move to a shack on the ocean, 'cause we're gonna die anyway. We take these things so seriously at the time, but we don't realize that there's really not a lot of seriousness to it. Having some moments, having some good times, being with friends, and you realize one day it won't really mean much of anything, but it's good to be part of someone's history.